Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to introduce a new product to you all. The product is basically a TPMS, means tire pressure monitoring system. In this video I will show you the full installation of this device. So friends, without wasting time, let's move to the unboxing part. As you can see, there is a manual available which explains all these functions and specifications. The installation process are explained step by step in this manual. So it will be very easy for us for install it by ourselves. So this is the valve stem for our alloy wheel, and the valve is also attached with a sensor, as you can see. And you can see there is mentioned RL. So RL means it's for rear side left wheel, and also there is a dust cap available. It's really looking very nice and made up of aluminum. The quality of this is very nice and good finishing. So have a look of this valve from all sides, friends. So there are total 4 valves available, and each one is mentioned sideways. As you can see, friends, there is mentioned RR, RL, FL and FR likewise. So this is the main unit which we have to install it at the radio part, and there is some LED indications are available at the front side, and this is provided by a USB port. So I am putting back all the accessories to the box. So already we are in run and moving to a tire shop for install this product. So friends, after reaching there I will get back to you. So friends, this is the very next day, and I am extremely sorry for that I am not able to take the video due to heavy rainfall at that area. So please don't mind, friends. So friends, yesterday we just installed this valve stem on all the 4 alloy wheels. We set all the valves carefully as per the side mentioned on that valve system. It's looking really very nice. As I have said, yesterday we just installed the valve system on all the 4 alloy wheels. Now we are going to connect this TPMS system to our radio. This radio is provided with 2 USB ports. I am using one USB port with the DVR system, and other one is vacant. Either we can use it for connecting pen drive or phone. This radio is basically Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. So there is no need to me for connecting any pen drive and all. Now we are moving to dismantle the radio. This type of tools is necessary for opening the panels and all, and it's made up of plastic. I am using some piece of cloth with this tool for opening the panel. This helps for preventing from scratches. Just insert the tip of the tool between the gaps and pull it upward. it will come out from the lock pins. Always open it very slowly and carefully, otherwise there is a chance for breakage of the pin. The radio is mounted with the 4 torque screws. Now I opened all the screws. So we have to find our vacant USB port. So here it is. As you can see, it is vacant. Now we are going to connect this unit. We can call this unit as a receiver because it receives all the information from all the 4 tires. The information contains pressure, temperature, and any leakage, etc. So we just have a trial before screwing the radio. Switch on the ignition. As you can see, friends, the LED indications are comes on the TPMS system. So friends, we have to find the TPMS file from the ES file explorer first. After that we need to install it. So from this we can see the TPMS APK file. So click on that for the installation process. Just click on install. Again install. The app is successfully installed. Now it's showing TPMS unconnected. I think it will take some time. Now it's connected. Now we are getting all the tire values. As we can see, the pressure is in bar unit, so we have to change it to PSI. There is 3 options for pressure units: KPA, PSI, and bar. We need PSI. And also 2 options for temperature, that is Celsius and Fahrenheit. We need Celsius. And there are so many settings given here. pressure alarm limit and temperature limit. We can set it as per our choice. As per our selection, alarm will come on the radio when the pressure falls below our set value and the temperature rise above our set value. Now it's changed from bar to psi. As you can see, the display is looking very nice. So this is our app and the icon is looking like this. So friends, that's it for today. And also comment how the video was. This system cost me approx 2000 rupees. So friends, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So see you on my next video. This is Ren's Idea signing off. Bye bye, take care.